as our Honorable Avakar Twingalan Muivah processional entourage makes its way, let us lift our hearts in gratitude as we honor and welcome Avakar back to his homeland. May I request all delegates and attendees to kindly raise your Naga national flag. Long live Nagaland! Yes, delegates and attendees, raise your Naga national flag to show your honor and respect. Long live Nagaland! Let Nagas across borders voice echo with one voice. Long live Nagaland! Let one voice of Naga echo across borders. Long live Nagalim! Kok Nalim! Long live Nagalim! Kok Nalim!
Harau-harau na tugal pumili haina sinjari Pulakpa Chairman amade designated oil ba magkongsinda pinaba sirabadi volunteer sinda kahimbiyo NSCN offices.
Good morning.